Hi, welcome to Viet Sound channel. Today we are going to cover the U sound in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. To pronounce the U sound, your mouth should be opened very tightly. And remember that the U sound is a back vowel, so your back part of your tongue should be rising up and your front part of your tongue should be on the position of your lower jaw. So let's say ooh, ooh. Okay, so on the first part of the video, I'm going to talk about the ooh sound. And on the second one, I'm going to talk about the ooh combination. Now let's practice some words with the oo sound. First, I'm gonna say the word, then you don't forget to repeat after me. So the first word is mũ, run, bún, cuốn, thủy, nhung, vui, cuối, lúng túng, vũ phu, tổ cũ, thu cuối, quy lụy, thu thủy, vũ mua tổ cũ. Chú Huy là người vũ phu. Now let's talk about the u-a combination. The u-a combination is pronounced w, w, w. So I hope you can hear that the u-a combination is not pronounced like the u sound plus the a sound. It's the u sound plus the sound. So to get know more about the sound, please check the link on the description. So again, the u combination is the u plus the sound. W, w, w. Now let's practice some words with the w sound. The first word is mua, cua, lúa, chúa, của, đùa, mua đũa, vua chúa, tua rua. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to download the textbooks, get the link in the description. Or if you want to make donation from me, so get the information in the description. Thank you for watching.